How to sell on Facebook Marketplace for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can sell on Facebook Marketplace as a complete beginner, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically sell on Facebook Marketplace as a beginner, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Now just tap the marketplace icon. If you don't find marketplace icon, you can tap the menu icon here, and inside the all shortcuts tap on see more and go to the marketplace section here, and you should be able to see marketplace and shop them. But if you want to sell your own product, you want to tap the sell option here. Select what you want to sell and enter the photos, add the product photos, the title, the price, the categories, descriptions, brand. If you're offering delivery, you can do that as well. But keep in mind that once you actually list your product, you can post it to some public groups that you are a part of, and other people will be able to message you about the product, and now you can sell them. Just keep in mind that Facebook is not responsible what happens between you and the buyer. As a seller, it must be your initiative to sell authentic products and to sell it to valid customers. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.